Hello guys. Hi guys. I'm really hungry. So today we're going to be making an egg wrap. This is the stove. Like I said, get your parents' help and supervision first. Um, First you need to wash your hands, which I already did. I already washed my hands. And then the second thing you need to do is get your supplies. And we're making an egg wrap. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use my spinach wraps that I used before. You can use plain wraps if you like, but those are the wraps I'm using, and I'm not even going to try to cook them because, you know, the thing is, we're already cooking eggs, so I feel like, why cook um, a tortilla, if we're going to be cooking eggs. So anyways, man. Alright, and we've got to get a pan. This is the pan I'm using. Make sure it's clean. And this one had like a speck on it, but if it had something sticky on it, we would need to clean it. And you're going to be using spray too if you have any, because if you don't use the spray, and I think this is avocado oil I've got, but you can use any other kind of oil, or you can use butter. And when you heat up the pan and the stove, you're going to be spraying it so the egg doesn't stick. But let's get started. We've already got our pan and our wraps. Let's get our eggs. These are the eggs, and you can also use bacon bits in your wrap or spinach or whatever you want to add to it. But right now we're learning how to cook the eggs. And so the first thing you're going to do, or your parent is going to do, is sorry. You're going to turn on the stove. And you got to look at the picture and make sure it's the right burner you've turned on. And you should start to feel some heat. As you can see, it's lighting up, right? And it's red. When it's red, it means it's hot. So don't touch it. And I've got mine set on medium heat, which is 5. You can put it on 5 or low, like a 3. But then we're going to put our pan on here. And I have a little button over here somewhere that turns red. It says hot surface, which means don't touch it. So we're going to take our spray, or butter, whatever you're using, and spray the pan, get it ready for the eggs. And you open the carton, and you're going to crack the egg. And you're going to crack another egg if you want to. Now you can put anything in here while you're waiting. You could put bacon bits, shredded cheese. I would leave the bacon bits out of it because they might burn in the pan. But, so we're going to wait on it to cook. And if your hand got messy from the egg like mine did, just get a paper towel and wipe it. And, so that's what I'm doing. I'm wiping my hand from that egg that got on me. And you can put any kind of spices in here that you like. You could use pepper. This is pepper that you grind. You could put salt. So these are some bacon bits. They're more healthier than regular bacon, but I wouldn't put them in the pan because they might burn. You can put them in the egg wrap later. And I gotta get my spinach. And I also wanted to say that you can make eggs in different ways. If you wanted to, you can make an omelet, or you can make them sunny side up. You can see that the egg is turning white, which means that it's cooking. It's going from clear to white. If you want to scramble it, you take a spatula and scramble it. And that was what I originally wanted anyways, was scrambled egg. And I've never used this pan before. It's kind of rough, but I didn't want to clean the other one. And it's taken longer to cook. I'm not really sure what this pan is made out of. Different pans are made out of different things. There's one pan called the copper pan, where it's hard to stick to anything. But this pan is definitely sticking, even though I sprayed the oil. And at a certain point, it's going to get cooked so well that you'll be able to just turn off the stove, and the heat from it have been on, I can't word myself today, from it having been on will, heat up the rest of the egg. And so that's our scrambled egg. And if you didn't want a scrambled egg, you could make an omelet, but to make an omelet is different. Somebody taught me how to make an omelet when I was younger, and you basically put the eggs in some sort of container and swirl them around, and then you put them in the pan, and you just leave it alone until it, turns white, and then you flip it and stuff like that, and you'll have an omelet. But I wanted scrambled eggs, so... And you can use shredded cheese with this, but don't put the shredded cheese in the pan because it might burn. Wait till you put it in your wrap. And you also got to be careful when you're cooking eggs, because if you leave them in the pan too long, they can get crispy. And I don't know if you like your eggs crispy or not, but that's what'll happen to them if you leave them in the pan too long. And so anyways, I've taught you how to make a tuna wrap before. So you know how to put stuff in a wrap. I mean, that part's easy, but now you have some eggs to put in your wrap if you want to egg wrap. So have a good night and enjoy your food. Thank you.